Starting at measure 13 in String of Pearls, we have this chord series that goes over an E flat chord. So notice first that from measure 13 to measure 17, even measure 18, it's all E flat. The chord is all E flat. So the only thing that moves is this one note. So here's your E flat chord. Let's just play the moving note. Here's E flat, right? On the 6th fret of the A string, there's the full E flat major chord. You don't have to play that chord. You just need to play the moving note. So E flat goes down to E flat major 7. That's the major 7 of E flat. It's just down a half step. Then it says E flat 7. That's the last chord in measure 13. Just down another half step. I'm now in the 6th fret. The next thing below the 7th is the 6th. So that's measure 14. There's E flat 6. Then E flat plus, that means E flat augmented, or a raised 5th, which is another half step down. Then there's E flat, and what they want you to do is just play another scale degree in E flat. So we've made this trip down from measure 13 with this rhythm. Again, I'm not playing the full chord, and you won't have to because it can be really complicated. I just want you to do this. So we're starting at 13. 3, 4, 1, and 4, and 3, 4, 1. Okay, so I'll do that again. We've got this E flat chord, E flat major 7, E flat 7, E flat 6, augmented, E flat augmented, E flat 6, E flat 7, E flat major 7, E flat, and it goes back down. Okay, let's do that again. Measure 13. 3, 4. Here's E flat 7, E flat major 7, E flat major 7, measure 17, E flat major 6, E flat augmented, E flat, and then we have an F7 and a B flat 7. And then we're down to E flat major 6. So the F7 at measure 18 is this. It's a chord you already know, but I'm not playing the root because the bass player has it. Just those two notes. F7, and then B flat 7 is right here. So then you have E flat 6 at measure 19. So here's E flat. Here's the major third of E flat on the 5th fret of the D string. And then I have the 5th fret of the G string. That note is C. That's the 6th. And then I have the 9th up here. So it's a nice sound. So E flat 6. Okay, so the whole thing at 13 with an extra note, and remember, you don't have to do this. I'll include this part of the E flat chord in all of it. I'm just going to play this moving line down, but I'm going to keep this note steady. So it will sound like this. 3, 4. So you don't have to make that monstrous stretch. I mean, if you can, then good for you. But seriously, keep just this one line moving back and forth. Moving on to measure 21 in the next video.